Hindi lahat ng araw magiging magaan. Hindi lahat may good news, good mood o good timing. Pero ang tanong, kailangan bang perfect ang araw para ma-enjoy mo? Health Real Talk. We were taught to chase happiness. Pero ang totoo, happiness is not chased. It is noticed. How to enjoy the day? Simple lang. Pero ito ang totoo. Stop waiting for special days. Hindi lang weekend ang may karapatang maging masaya. Minsan, ordinary Tuesday lang, pero buo ka, humihinga ka, at lumalaban ka. Pangalawa, appreciate small wins. Nakakain ka, nakapagpahinga ka kahit saglit. That's already a win. Be present. Pangatlo, hindi lahat kailangan i-post, i-prove o i-perfect. Minsan, tahimik lang ay sapat na. Don't overthink everything. Yan ang pang-apat. Hindi lahat ng iniisip mo kailangan mong paniwalaan. Protect your peace. Panglima, rest without guilt. Hindi ka tamad, napapagod ka lang kasi. And reality check, hindi mawawala ang stress. Hindi titigil ang problema. Pero, pwede mong piliin na hindi lahat papasukin mo sa isip at puso mo. You don't need a perfect life to enjoy a day. Ako po si Arlene para sa Health Real Talk. Have a nice day, everyone.